unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably heard that MetaTrader 4 and 5 are completely freaking dead. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the replacement that is 12 times better than MetaTrader 4 and 5 put together. This thing is an absolutely freaking beast. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is. I'm going to break down exactly how to use it, and I'm going to give you the best broker to use on this platform so that you can make the most money day trading on this platform. So if you're excited for this video, smash the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, hit the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop these bangers. I'm always dropping bangers that'll help you become a consistently profitable trader fast. So let's hop right into this. So like I said, MetaTrader 4 and 5 is out of here. You know what I'm saying? And honestly, it's been a long time coming. If you guys use MetaTrader 4 or 5, you guys have probably noticed that it's very, very outdated. I've been saying this for years. MetaTrader 4 and 5 looks like some grandpa freaking platform. And this is not me talking crazy about MetaTrader 4 or 5. This is just my honest truth. You guys have probably heard me say this in videos before. It looks so outdated. If you used it, you know it looks super outdated. It looks all old. It looks all confusing. It just looks boring. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like it scares away and overcomplicates a lot of things in trading that could scare away a lot of traders that want to get started trading. But I'm going to show you guys this new platform that's way simpler, way easier, way better. Keep in mind, this platform doesn't pay me nothing like that. But a lot of people have been asking me what platform to use with when you are trading forex, when you do want to trade these indices, when you want to trade gold, whatever it is. So I decided to make this video and break it down for you guys. But first of all, just to clarify, MetaTrader 4 and 5 is not completely totally dead. They're just kicking out all unregulated brokers. If you don't know what unregulated brokers are, it's basically every broker that you've probably ever used or heard of, right? Regulated brokers are not really what a lot of forex traders use most of the time because the leverage is extremely small. Like realistically, on a regulated broker, you'd be lucky to get 50 to 1 leverage. When on these unregulated brokers, you can get 500 to 1 leverage. And even on the broker I'm going to tell you guys about, you can get up to 3,000 to 1 leverage, which is absolutely freaking ridiculous. So you don't need a lot of capital to start trading on these brokerages. But anyways, MetaTrader 4 and 5, they're not completely out of the picture, but they are getting rid of unregulated brokers, which then cuts out 98% of traders. Because most people, if you don't have over $100, $200, $300,000 inside your trading account, you need some pretty decent size leverage, and regulated brokers do not offer that. So with MetaTrader 4 and 5 kind of kicking out and banning all unregulated brokers, it kind of stops you from being able to trade. But this platform I'm about to show you guys is pretty much your saving grace, with all of our saving grace at this point. So let's actually dive into it, show you guys exactly how it works, show you guys why it's a freaking amazing platform and why I personally love it. And yeah, let's go. All right, so boom, here we are on the platform called Tradelocker. This thing is an absolutely freaking beast. It's super simple, super smooth. It looks a lot like TradingView, and if you guys don't know what TradingView is, you're probably not a trader, I'm not gonna lie, because every trader uses TradingView. It's what we use to mark up our charts, and what we use to plan out our trades, all of that. But on this platform, we can trade directly from there. Like in my eyes, it's technically like trading straight off of TradingView. Like you don't even need TradingView anymore at this point because you have all the same tools. You can use your long and short positions. You can draw out your trend lines. You can do everything straight from this platform. And you're able to buy and sell off of here. And it has an automatic calculator on it, so it's no more trying to calculate your freaking lot size, which was the biggest headache in the entire world when it came to trading forex, because you had to go to another website, type in forex calculator. You got to type in the amount of ticks, the amount of money you want to risk, your account balance, every single trade. This does it automatically, and they have a super cool tool that I'm going to go over that helps you do it. But basically, just a quick overview of it. The platform is called Tradelocker. Very, very simple. You obviously have your chart right here. You would just connect your broker to this platform. Like I said, if you guys want the broker that I personally use, that I suggest to use on this platform, it's the best broker to use on this platform because you get no commission spreads, and you also can get up to 3,000 to 1 leverage. That's just a couple of the benefits. So I'll leave the link for it being the first link inside the description down below for the broker that I suggest to use on this platform. But anyways, like I said, all over here on this left side, you have all your tools that you would need. You have your Fibonacci's, you have your trend lines, you have your arrows, you have your horizontal lines, you have all that stuff. You have your text, you have your drawing, you have everything you need on here realistically on this chart. And you can also add your indicators right on here if you want to add the VWAP. Bada boom, bada bing. Guess what? We now have a freaking VWAP on our chart. So that's obviously cool. I would suggest you guys play around with all this. You guys can obviously change the time zones. You guys can also change the candlestick chart time. You can also go to Heikin-Ashi candlesticks if you want, which you guys know I'm a big fan of Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. You can go to other type of candlesticks as well. Personally, I stick on Heikinaishi candlesticks for the most part. Sometimes I'll look at regular candlesticks, but that's another video for another day, right? Why you need to stop using candlesticks. I'll make that video in a little bit. But anyways, and then of course on here you have your zoom out, zoom ins, but that's just to play around with the charts. But realistically, there's so many cool things. You can go full screen, you can take pictures of your chart, all that, but this is all miscellaneous things that you probably already know. Let's get into the nitty gritty and why this thing is a freaking amazing piece of technology, right? So first of all, down here, keep in mind I'm on a demo account. This is not my live account. So right now this demo account is $4,100 in here. I'm just using this for this example to show you guys. But down here, you'll be able to hover over and get your other accounts. You can come in your settings over here, do a bunch of things, play with it. But here, you're going to see all of your positions, open positions or even closed positions. You'll be able to see your P&L, you'll be able to see your entry points, all of that fun stuff, right? But I'm going to actually hop into a trade for you guys so you guys can see how it actually works. But over here to the right side, this is where things get kind of crazy. So obviously you can come in here and type in any pair that you want to go over. With the broker that I was talking to you guys about, the one I suggest on here, you can literally trade every single thing on there realistically. Cryptos, energies, forex, obviously all that stuff. You can trade on there, but you'll be able to search exactly what you want to trade. But let's just say you want to trade Euro USD, which is a basic forex pair. You'll be able to see your spread right here, which is cool. Obviously, bada boom, bada bang. But this right here is absolutely freaking amazing. So let me show you why. Imagine we're hopping into a trade right here. Let's say something like this. We're going for buys right here, stop loss right here, take profit right here. After you set your trade up, before you even hop into the trade, most times on MetaTrader 4 or 5, you then got to open up another tab and do the calculation on what lot size you have to use so you know you're not risking too much. This platform will automatically do it. If you hit this little up arrow right here and take on your stop loss, take on your take profit, I'm entering into a buy here, and click this little risk button, this thing is absolutely freaking amazing. Let's say I want to risk, if I come over here next to P&L, let's say I want to risk $500 per trade. I'll put in $500 right here, move my stop loss right where I want it to be. If we look right here, it's currently at 33 lots, right? That's how many lots I need to be able to basically trade with this pair and only risk $500. If I move it up a little bit, you see that lot size increases. So it's gonna automatically calculate it for how much money I want to risk per trade. Then obviously you can move your TP as well. But let's say our stop loss is right below here. But then it's giving me an error right here because I don't have enough margin inside my account to be able to open up a trade that I can basically risk $500 on. So if I drag it out a little bit more, it'll let me do it because I can afford this demo account to open up 16 lots. But on this demo account, I cannot afford to open up 38 lots. I think this demo account is only like a 200-to-1 leverage, but like I said, with the broker inside the link that I use that I recommend on this platform, you can have a 3,000-to-1 leverage. But anyways, so let's say we just drag it out right here, just to drag it out, right? So we can enter into this trade. We'll press execute buy, and boom, we're automatically in the trade. We see our stop loss is right down here. We see our TP is right up here. Keep in mind, let's say if you make the wrong TP, and you want to change it, you want to move it now, hit this stop loss button or the TP button, and all you got to do is drag it. Now, keep in mind, this isn't going to change the lot size because we're already in the trade. So it's not going to change the lot size to make it match that $500 anymore because we're already in the trade. But it will tell you exactly how much you're going to be risking. So if you look over here to the top or in this little left-hand side right here, with this new stop loss, we're now risking $218. Or we can drag it down here. We're risking $390. Vice versa with TP, we can drag it up here and we know we're gonna make $890 if this trade hits all the way up here. Or if I drag it down here, I'm gonna make $234. And all we have to do is come over here to this corner, press confirm. This makes trading way more freaking simple. I'm not gonna lie, it's the biggest headache in the world to calculate every single trade and figure out what lot size to use when it comes to trading. And this just simplifies it drastically. And then, like I said, down here, we have our actual P&L. We can see exactly what's kind of going on. We're in the trade. We have our stop loss, our take profit, our margin, exposure, all that. And then our profit and loss, which is what we all honestly care about. But then another cool tool that they have on here is that we can literally close partial positions. So we're in it totally for 15.62 lots because that's basically what Tradelocker told us to use so that we risk $500 with our trade. But I can close out half this position. If I want to close out just 7 lots here, I'll just press close, and now I'm out of 7 lots. I'm only in this trade now for whatever the difference is, which I'm not sure what's 7. It's 8.62 lots I'm now in the trade for, which is super simple and easy if you just want to take quick profits, partial profits really quickly. Then obviously over here, if I want to close out the full position, I'll just press close out position. Now, this whole tool right here, this risk tool right here, is the best thing since sliced bread. I'm not gonna lie to you, because instead of me having to do the calculations and end up missing my entry, which has happened to me so many times because I'm calculating the correct lot size to use, I can literally just put it in here, check this little risk button, say I want to risk $3,000 on my trade, right? And well, I don't have no money in this demo account right now for me to be able to do that. Well, if I keep dragging it down, probably. There we go. Then I will be able to hop into the trade right here, and it'll be super simple. And I won't have to hop onto another chart or another screen to be able to get my lot size that I'm supposed to use to risk that amount. Another amazing thing about this platform is that it can automatically connect to a trading journal, which, if you guys don't know, trading journals are freaking, if you're not journaling your trades, I say this all the time. If you see any trader online that is claiming to be a good trader and they don't journal their trades, they're not consistently profitable. Maybe they have a week or 2 or a month of being profitable, but if you're not journaling your trades, there's no way you can be consistent because you don't have any data that helps you stay consistent. But nonetheless, this platform connects directly to trading journals. I'll leave the trading journal that I suggest inside the description down below and also inside the comment section down below, but it'll automatically connect to here, so you don't even have to do anything. It'll automatically journal all of your trades, so you can have a track and a log of all your trades. So overall, I don't miss MetaTrader 4 at all, or 5 if you can't freaking tell. This thing is way better, way simpler to use, way better on the eyes, way easier for beginners to understand and get started with, which is amazing. And I'm just happy it's out here. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I gave you guys a nice kind of rundown of this platform so that you guys can ultimately start using it for yourselves. It'll make your trading way easier, help you stop having to use other platforms, have to use other websites to calculate your lot size and all that stuff. I'm glad we're leaving that behind. But if you guys enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate if you guys smash the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And like I said, that post notification, hit it so you can be notified, because I would hate for you to miss out on any of my bangers. If you missed it on this video, you might be lost, because you might be like, how the heck I'm gonna trade if I don't have an MetaTrader 4? I got you. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, link inside the description down below if you guys want the broker that I personally suggest to use on here. It's an absolutely freaking beast on this platform, as well as the trading journal that I suggest that automatically connects to this, so you can automatically get your trades journaled for you, so you can actually track them step by step, every single trade that you have. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys have an absolutely blessed day. And if you enjoyed this video, I know you will enjoy this video right here. I literally broke down the strategy that I use every single day to steal from the markets. I literally steal from the markets every day with this strategy right here. So I highly suggest you watch this video, and I'll see you right in there.